श्लोक 201. कदा ओळखी माझी दुजे दिसेना, मनी मानसी द्वैत काही वसेना. बहुता दिसा आपुली भेट झाली, विदेहीपणे सर्व काया निभाली. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. After self-enlightenment, that is after knowing Brahma, one does not see anything else but the same Brahma everywhere. The mind becomes free from all sorts of doubts and becomes crystal clear as the deep-rooted concept of duality gets completely destroyed. Knowing your own self is like meeting an old friend after a very long time. The joy of such a meeting is pure and unbound. The pleasure of meeting thyself transcends the bodily consciousness. The body and mind then experience a calmness and tranquil which cannot be experienced by any other means. Samartha Ramdas is coming towards an end of his discourse through Manache Shlok. It is beyond any doubt that he was a blessed personality and he met himself and experienced the joy which he has described. He was blunt, practical and straightforward at times while explaining the theory to the world. No wonder Shivaji Maharaj became the disciple and followed his advice for raising the Hindavi Samrajya or the Hindu kingdom. Our Vedas are taken as the first ever philosophical and spiritual literature in the history of mankind. It is an ocean of knowledge. Vedas are called Apaurushaya. It means nobody claimed that they have written the Vedas. The scope of Shrutis, Smrutis, Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads is very vast and their contents are enormous. That is why common people like us stayed away from picking up and reading these heavy complex books. Ramayana and Mahabharata are also very vast. The beauty of Hinduism lies in that we all are free to refine, revise, rewrite and condense or elaborate our scriptures. At the same time, we are free to deny or doubt the existence of God and ask questions about His being or not being. That is why most of our extraordinary books like Yoga Vasishtha, Bhagavad Gita, Jnaneshwari, Dasabodh and many others are in the form of questions and answers. We see that thing happening over and over and it is done by great personalities in the historical times. Samartha Ramdas has done the same thing through Manache Shlok. It is like taking out butter from the milk. You need to heat the milk, then culture it and then churn it vigorously to get the butter. That is what has been done by the sages and Sadgurus as per the need of time. Yoga Vasishtha is the butter or moral of Ramayana. Vasishtha Muni as Nara, that is human, explained it to Narayan, that is Lord Rama. Bhagavad Gita is the moral of all Vedas and Yoga Vasishtha. Lord Sri Krishna did the job by condensing it in just 700 shlokas. Here the Narayana, that is Lord Krishna himself, explained it to the Nara, that is Arjuna. Jnaneshwar Mauli expanded and simplified Bhagavad Gita for the benefit of people in all classes. And look at the courage, look at the wisdom, look at the confidence, look at the poetry, and look at the expanse of knowledge here. Samartha Ramdas has done a similar job like Lord Sri Krishna in just 205 shlokas by churning all the philosophy ever said. It is a man-to-man talk and we are fortunate to have it with us. Bravo and million salutations to Samartha Ramdas.